Political and security crisis. South Sudan is teetering on the edge of renewed civil war, following the March 26 arrest of First Vice President Riek Machar. His detention has been deemed by his party, the SPLM-IO, as a collapse of the fragile 2018 peace agreement. The situation has intensified with clashes between government forces and the White Army militia, particularly in Upper Nile State. The South Sudanese military recently recaptured the town of Nasser without resistance, amid allegations of Machar's support for the militia, which his party denies. The United Nations has warned that the country is on the brink of another civil war, citing escalating violence and a stalled peace process. Humanitarian emergency. The humanitarian situation is deteriorating rapidly. Aerial bombings have targeted medical facilities, including a Médecins Sans Frontières MSF hospital in Old Fangak, resulting in at least 7 deaths and significant damage to healthcare infrastructure. Additionally, a cholera outbreak has claimed 8 lives, exacerbated by funding cuts that force longer journeys to clinics. The UN has reported that over 295 million people faced acute hunger last year, with the outlook for 2025 described as bleak. Due to conflicts and faltering humanitarian aid, regional and international responses. In response to the escalating crisis, Uganda has deployed special forces to South Sudan to help secure the capital, Juba, amid heightened political tensions. The United States has ordered non-emergency government staff to leave South Sudan as tensions grow over fighting. Meanwhile, a regional infrastructure initiative has been launched, with Uganda, South Sudan, and the Central African Republic planning to build a 1,000-kilometer trade road to enhance connectivity and economic cooperation. Cultural unity amid conflict. Amid the turmoil, efforts to foster national unity continue. The Pajulu Cultural Festival was held in Juba from May 10 to 12, celebrating the heritage of the Pajulu people and promoting messages of peace and reconciliation. The festival's theme, Friendship Among Communities Unites South Sudanese, underscores the importance of cultural cohesion in the nation's healing process.